Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and I am back with another Continental knitting tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to knit from the back loop. The abbreviation for that in your pattern will say ktbl, and it just means knit through the back loop. And it's not as complicated as it sounds. So without further ado, we're going to jump into this tutorial. So what you want to do in order to knit through the back loop, normally when you knit, you would insert your needle to the left of the stitch and wrap around and pull through, right? But that's not what we're going to do here. We are going to knit through the back loop. So what you want to do is actually insert your right hand needle through the back of the stitch, like so. Just like that. Okay? Now you're still going to wrap your yarn around the needle and pull it through to the front like that. Okay, we're going to do that again. So we're going to insert our needle through the back like so. Going to yarn over, pull our loop through, and pull it off the needle. And it's just as easy as that. I'm going to do this even slower for you guys. And if your stitches ever get a little too tight, you can always run it directly underneath the stitch and then run it to the back, as you saw me do a couple of stitches ago. Alright, that one was pretty loose. But here we are at the end of the row. And that is how you knit through the back loop. And of course here I've been alternating my purl stitches with my knit stitches, so I have a lovely little block of stockinette here. I hope today's video was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future knitting content like this. I typically post knitting tutorials on Wednesdays at 9:30 a.m. CST. Don't forget to head over to Instagram and check me out over there. I think we're almost to 800 followers over there, so it would mean the world to me if we can grow that community even more. And until next time, guys, happy making.